everyone! Happy Sunday! So again, papunta kami ngayon sa Walmart para mag-grocery shopping. And of course, meron na naman tayong weekly grocery shopping video and haul.
Snap your W-2 and file your taxes 100%.
Silab yung kanyang radio. So pinapainit muna namin itong sasakyan bago kami umalis. I guess ready na. Kalimutan ko yung aking tripod. Monopod. Ay, sisira. So si Mister, nagbago ang isip niya. Diba parang decided na ako na mag-aral na mag-drive. Kaya kami naghahanap ng eyeglasses. Kaso sabi niya, parang mas okay na din na after ko na manganak, tsaka ako maaga driving lessons. Kasi nga syempre, di ba, pagka buntis, medyo delikado. Kaya mas maganda na din na after I gave birth. So what made you decide what made you change your mind? Because you are the one who keeps on pestering me to get the driver's license permit.
Because it's an extra thing and it's annoying, and I've got too many extra things that are annoying. And if postponing you learning to drive is one less annoying thing extra, then good. I'll just postpone it and I have one less annoying thing to think about.
If it's annoying, then maybe I'll just not learn how to drive.
No, it has to happen.
So that it won't annoy you.
It's gonna be more important it's gonna be more annoying if you never learn. Beyond you just have to. You just have to. It's just,
It's a necessity.
Yes.
Why?
Because we both need this to know how to get around. It's every adult in the universe in the United States can drive, and it's just how, if you don't live in the city, if you don't live downtown in a city or someplace where you can walk or take public transportation, you have to know how to drive. It's just the way it is. I don't know why everyone lives so far away from everything, but that's the way it is. Probably because they don't divide the property. All the property is scattered all over the place, and you gotta live all over the place, but that's where they put people.
But do you prefer our living situation, or you prefer living in the countryside and in the city?
Yeah, I'm not saying that's an option. I'm just saying you have to know how to drive. It's just what people do. I didn't make the world the way it is. It's not my fault.
Yeah, so for those who are new here, sa countryside kami nakatira, so walang public transportation dito. Pero dahil nga ako ay buntis, and masyado din kaming maraming ang ginagawa lately, napag-desisyonan ni Mister na after ko na lang after ko na lang manganak, tsaka ako mag-start mag-drive. So nagbago ang kanyang isip. Hindi ko inakala na magbabago isip ito, kasi lagi niya akong kinukulit na mag-aral mag-drive. Pero at least okay na din yun, kasi nga mahirap, diba, dahil buntis ako. Zira!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you...
Kami sa Walmart, ang aga namin, 9:30 pa lang. Lamig. Maganda yung panahon, mainit. Kaso, ay hindi maaraw. Kaso malamig pa dito. Cold. It's so cold. Ang daming clearance dito ngayon sa Walmart. Ayan o, nakakuha kami ng mga damit. Ayan o siya. Mga $5 lang. Meron na sila dito mga products for the Easter chocolates. Parang ang sarap. Kaso bawal naman tayo dyan. Gagawa daw si Mr. ng mini garden doon sa bahay. Sabi ko magtanim siya ng ganito. Mga lavender para maganda. Lavender love. Ito yung gaganda ng mga flowers. Sa spring, malapit nang mag-spring. Ilang days na lang. March 20th, spring na, diba? Sabi ko kay Mr. kung babae, since letter Z, Zinnia. Is that your new clothes? Hi! Sarap kaya to. $4.97. Parang bagong flavor nila. Ito, mga bagong flavor. Hindi pa rin makaalis dito sa area nito si Mr. Mahilig kasi talaga ito maghalaman, kaya excited na siya mag-spring para makapag-start na magtanim. So ayun yung mga flowers, $1.96, herbs and vegetables $1.96, vegetables same, organics $2.46. Mga seeds yan. Si Mr. gusto niyang kumuha ng cilantro, kaso kasi ayoko talaga niya, nasusuka ako. Sabi niya, and what's wrong with you? Hindi talaga kaya ng sikurang ng cilantro.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her
Meron silang
hand
KitKat
in
bun,
mine.
$4.48.
We wanna chase the night, wanna
What is that?
dance to the
Is that
light.
good?
Pull
Wrong.
stars from the sky, just two
That chocolate?
hearts running
Just a
wild.
little.
Never sleep, never stop. As
Just
we
wanna
shout
try.
from the top, we're
This
gonna
one?
be two hearts running wild.
You want that rainbow bright? I don't know, you said it's a classic.
Now the
Just a normal
morning
baby doll.
is the afternoon. We lay awake and
You like it, baby? You have a lot of baby dolls at
laugh so
home.
loud.
You're not even playing with it.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all
You
again.
like Peppa Pig?
We wanna chase the night.
Yes or no?
Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
So far, ito na naman ang favorite.
We're gonna be
Puno na naman.
two hearts running
Kaya
wild.
nakapagpunta sa Walmart and ang
They don't let us bag our own groceries anymore, which sucks because I haven't memorized exactly how to bag everything, and I don't want anybody else involved in what I'm doing. But so now we have to be involved with the boop 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 person. I don't know what they're called. The checker,
Cashier.
the cashier. So we got to be involved with the cashier, and I'm annoyed about it.
Wouldn't it be more convenient for you because you're not gonna do it on your own? Ibig sabihin wala na pong
It's not more
self-checkout.
convenient, it sucks. But maybe if I utilize them properly, if I line everything up and they're pushing it down off of the thing, because I was going back and forth this time. But what I need to do is get everything on there and then have them going boop, 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 and then I'm putting it into the thing. And if I do that good, then maybe it's better to have them there. But the only thing I think is funny
You
is
don't have a
that
bagger.
they went through all the trouble to invent artificial intelligence on the camera that would see when somebody is stealing. And I used to get in trouble with the artificial intelligence because my hands would move in different ways, that the artificial intelligence would get angry. It didn't like the way my hands are moving stuff around. But then they stopped using it. I guess it didn't work. And now they're getting rid of it because everybody's just stealing everything. Which, you know, I think I stole a pack of Tums once by accident.
It's just like the Philippines. We don't have any self-checkout there. And you don't have any complaint about it.
No, I don't want to. This is the way it was for most of my life. I don't want to go back.
So ayun, tinanggal na nila yung self-checkout. Sabi ng pinaka-manager doon, it will be until the end of time. Pero hindi ko sure kung dito lang ba to sa amin or sa lahat ng Walmart. Sa inyo po, kumusta dyan sa inyong state or sa inyong lugar? Tinanggal na din ba yung self-checkout? Parang ito yata yung first day, I'm not sure. So ayun, medyo ano siya. Di pa rin siya sanay, pero dahil ako, Pilipino naman ako, sanay ako na ganyan, na may cashier. Pero kasi dito walang bagger, so ikaw ang maglalagay ng mga pinabili mo doon sa bag. And pauwi na kami. Meron pa rin palang self-checkout para lang sa 15 items and below, at saka dun sa mga Spark driver. Ayun, sila na lang yung pwedeng mag-self-checkout. Pagka yung items mo is more than 15 items, dun ka na sa mga cashier. So, andito na kami sa bahay, guys. Mag-start na tayo ng ating grocery shopping haul. Start natin dito sa tortilla chips, potatoes. Ang dami na namang potatoes. And then yung one box ng diaper ni Zeta, andoon siya. Bread. Tapos ito yung mga clearance kanina ng mga damit. Ang pajamas for the baby. Dito. Tapos itong shirt na ito, hindi ko alam kung kakasya ba sa akin. Paper towel. 2 instant noodles. Another bread. Mini croissant. White onions. Whole milk. Tropicana orange juice. Mangoes. Avocados. Carrots. Chicken thighs. Hickory smoked bacon. Steak. Rib eye beef steak. Half loin roast. Plant shelf. Another whole milk. Kit Kat. Seeds. And then 2 pots. Tortillas. Buko ni Zeta. Isa pang paper towel. And then Peppa Pig toy. Para din to kay Zeta. Beef Lil Smokies. Dryer sheets. Laundry detergent liquid soap. Slim Jims. Cheese. Beef jerky. Garbage bag. Tapos ito parang bagong product to doon sa Walmart na nakita ko. Salted toasted corn. Gusto ko siya itry. Unsalted butter. Dishwasher packs fresh scents. Melon. Isa pang garbage bag. Pitcher filter. Spam. Olives, lime. Cheese dip. Maple syrup. Grapes. Banana. Green beans. Red bell pepper. Cabbage. Grapefruit. strawberries, flour, jasmine rice, coconut milk, tomatoes, little potatoes, apples, vegetable oil, Pringles, and then pickles. So, ayun ang aming pinamili for this week. And ang total niya ay $348.76. So, almost $350. Eh, gusto i-double check ni Mr. kasi parang namahalan siya. Baka doon nagkamali yung cashier. So, i-double check niya. Say bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Give them a kiss. Give them a kiss. Dali. Oh. Ay. You're kissing Peppa Pig. No, you kiss them.